Akka, thank you so much, so much, so much for that beautiful padam. You did it so well. It was so beautiful to see Satish singing, your dancing. It was a really lovely experience. And I'm sure everybody who watched it felt the same. So thank you, thank you. And thank you doubly because I know you don't like doing things in a hurry, but you learned it up and you did it because I asked you to. So for that, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ thanks உங்களுக்கு.
அத்தைக்கு அத்தை blessings நமக்கெல்லாம் இருக்கணும் இப்போ. ஓகேயா?
Yes,
I am also very happy. ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு எனக்கு கூட.
Thank you, thank you.
ரொம்ப நாளாச்சு பண்ணிட்டு எப்போ பண்ணிருக்கேன். கிருஷ்ணவேணி அக்கா எல்லாம் இருக்கும்போது பண்ணிருக்கேன். அப்புறம் கம்ப்ளீட்ல மறந்து போச்சு. பழைய ரொம்ப நாளாச்சு இல்ல இது பழையது யாரும் பண்றது இல்லை இப்போ.
Yes, it is. That is why we are trying to do those items which are not now done so often. And I'm so happy that you did it for us. And
yeah, very santosham. Enakku kuda santosham.
Thank you, Akka. Akka, we wanted to get to know you a little bit.
Yes.
Pallava.
Oh yes.
You came to Kalakshetra as a young girl. Yeah. And then you came here, you studied here, you graduated here, you taught here, you got married here, you had children here, and you retired from here.
Yeah.
So literally you've just lived on Kalakshetra land your whole life.
Yes.
Could you just tell us a little bit about how you came to Kalakshetra? How did you come to hear about it? Who brought you here? And some of those memories.
Olden days. Yes. இங்கே நான் வருது என்னோட மாமா அம்மா's brother.
Okay.
So first let me tell thanks for you to make me to come and do all these things. So I'm very happy. So first I came to Kalakshetra with my uncle. Uncle was ரொம்ப in the fine arts, dance, music. He's very spiritual person. He's like my godfather.
Okay.
So he used to stay in Pondicherry. All my holidays I used to go, there only. Mother's blessings. Actually, mother only, I am a devotee of Mother Sri Aurobindo.
Okay.
So Mama wrote 2 chit inside and kuliki mother kaila ipdi kaamichirukku. So whatever she gives, so we have to do that.
What was on the chits? What was on the chits?
That one is go to Kalakshetra. No, not.
Oh, go to or not to go.
Okay. Go to Kalakshetra or not.
Okay.
So இப்படி பண்ணிருக்கு. So I didn't அந்த சிட்ல ஒரு சிட் எடுத்திருக்கு. Go beta check. Go betaன்னு சொல்லிட்டு. So she gave me this. Yeah. Then I saw that what inside, I felt what will be there, what will be our tension. So she gave me that. Go to Kalakshetra. I felt very happy. So we came from Pondicherry to Chennai. Okay. Then first, as soon as we came to Chennai, he wanted to go to Vempati Chinnasatya Master.
Okay.
We went to Vempati Chinnasatya Master. We stayed for few days.
Vempati Chinnasatyam Kuchipudi danakka? Yeah,
Kuchipudi. That time, because I am only talking in Telugu. I don't know any other language. So you want me to keep there. Then afterwards, after some time, Chalapati Anna from Kalakshetra, he used to do Lakshmana and all.
Yes. I remember Chalapati Anna.
Yeah, he came and he is talking with Telugu, Mama and all. So I like to Kalakshetra ku varano appadina vaango sir appdinu solli sonna. So Mama went with Chalapati Anna to ask Attai and everybody in Kalakshetra to see Kalakshetra how it is in it. That time he make me to stay inside the Panagal Park, open place. That
in the park
of water. Yeah, Panagal Park, open place. 1 bottle of water and 2 bread.
Oh, you.
He gave me and stay. And I will come back fast. You stay here. So I was like literally staying that time. When I came to Kalakshetra, I was 14 years.
Oh.
Yes, 1972, I think I came. Yes. So I came, then he went and spoke to Atte, Paddu teacher and everything. In the evening only he came. So he told me that come, we'll go to Kalakshetra tomorrow. So I, whatever, morning, next day morning.
How long did you wait in the park?
Morning to evening, 7
ஐயோ.
o'clock. Yeah. அப்படி ரொம்ப 2 பிரெட் தான் கொடுத்திருக்கு, 2 buns, bun. I'm scared to ask buy also. Like this. So I was staying that morning to evening, but I feel, but anyway, open that one chair will be there, no? I was staying and praying. Mama will come soon. Then in the evening, he came. Then I felt, okay, what happened? And yeah, tomorrow we'll go like this, and then we again back to master's house only. Okay. Such master house. Then we told that Rukmini Devi asked us to come. We'll go, sir, tomorrow. He told, okay, go. So we went. That time, Kamla teacher, Paddu teacher was there. Paddu teacher was, hey ma, bagunnava? He asked Telugu. Aha, I got very much. Ma, I got something, I got like, jilebi kadcha madri. Paddu teacher is speaking Telugu. Amma. Nana, I started Telugu, yes, Amma teacher, own teacher. And like that, she took to me and Atte. அத்தை இதோ இங்கே இந்த இவ வந்திருக்கு, இவங்க பேரு வசுந்தராவா, பாண்டிச்சேரியில இருந்து வந்திருக்குன்னு சொன்னா. அப்படியா, என்ன பேரு உன் பேரு? அப்படி அத்தை வசுந்தரான்னு சொன்னா. சோ அப்படியே கொஞ்சம் ஒரு கான்வர்சேஷன் எல்லாம் இருந்தது. சரி, நாளைக்கு வாங்கன்னு சொன்னா. She came and I got interview with everything. Okay, I selected. Paddu teacher நாளைக்கு உன்னை ட்ரெஸ் எல்லாம் எடுத்துட்டு ஹாஸ்டலுக்கு வந்துடுன்னு சொன்னா பத்து டீச்சர். ஓகே, ஐ வாஸ், எனக்கு ஒரு பயம். எல்லாரும் தமிழ் மலையாளம், இங்கிலீஷ் எல்லாம் பேசுறாங்க, எனக்கு இந்த பாஷை வச்சு எப்படி மைண்ட். டீச்சர், ஓகே டீச்சர் only arranged everything for me in the room. She brought me there. You stay here like this. I was staying with mama only. I came, I settled, I finished my course, 4 years for post-graduation, 2 years, 2 years diploma, 4 years, 2 years post-graduation. I finished, and very happily I did.
Akka, who all were there with you in class? Do you remember who all were in your class with you?
But when I came to PG, only after 4th year they left.
Who all were there? Who all were the girls there?
PG, like,
illa Akka, with you.
Teachers?
Up to PG யார் இருந்தாங்க?
That's what, என்னோட கிளாஸ்ல யாரு, ரஜினி, I think ரஜினி and son, forgot names. இப்போ நிறைய ரொம்ப வருஷம் ஆச்சுல்ல. ரஜினி, Chandrika, all this, now Nilofer. They all in Canada.
Nilofer was also your classmate.
Correct. Nilofer and Minnal, Stella, Valli. Okay, they all used to be. But then next, I think 1 year junior to me.
Okay. So I think in PG then they must have been with you.
Yeah, Stella, Valli, Nilofer, I think so. Rajini, they're all in that Canada now. They're staying. Okay. So they are staying. Only me in the. I'm doing that PG very successfully. I finished. After my PG only, I got married and children, and they gave me nice house inside the campus. So
beautiful. Who were the teachers, Akka, when you were here? Who were all your teachers? Music and dance. Who were because all big people were there at that time.
Dance la Krishnaveneka, Vijay teacher, Jaya teacher, Vijay teacher, Jaya teacher, Krishnaveneka, Janardhan sir, Balagopal sir, Krishnamurti sir, and this Saras Akka, Umaravaka, Sitaramaka, they all, Krishnaveneka was my PG teacher.
Did you learn from Sharda teacher also?
Sharda teacher, dance dramas and all, she used to take, and Atte birthday and all, she used to take practice for us. We did one full margam, myself, Valli, Rekha, myself, Valli, Rekha, and who is that? Jochna Menon. So we all did one full margam. That time only I got that time 2 kids when Ate's birthday celebration. So they all very small. That I'm little big. So that time Sharda teacher took practice for one full margam, like Ala Jatiswa, Alaripu, Bhairav Jatiswaram, and Devamanohari Varnam, all Kirtanam, Padams, were full margam we did with slokam. Where she took very nice practice. My God, we used to get nice energetic this thing food, and it used to come, myself, Wally, Stella, and all like this. Very very utsahama panindinda nanga. Nice.
Okay.
Very happy.
And Akka, for music and all, who were your teachers?
Music and all, Pudukota sir, MD Ramnath, the masters are there. MD Ramnath sir, Pudukota sir, Budulur sir,
Mani sir would have also been there, no?
Mani sir, correct. Mani sir, very good. Thank you. Papanasan Shivan fam Sishyan.
Ama, I know.
So he always used to come to my house for tea time. Vasundara tea kudamma nu solittu varu. He's romba vaisachu, so our vandodana I used to prepare tea and give. So he was very happy. He will drink tea and he will go.
Because Mani sir taught us also. He was my music teacher also.
அவர்தான் எனக்கு பொன்னாய் பிறவி வரவேண்டும் அந்த பாட்டெல்லாம் நிறைய light music,
general music songs, yes.
Songs ellatu appo Tyagaraja Utsavam avardane thalam ella poduvanga. So mostly I like to put tambura while Tyagaraja day. So mostly I used to put tambura. If anybody give me, no, I want to put, I used to put tambura like this. I feel very happy.
Akka, when you came, you were much younger than the other people in the class, or were they all around your age only? Classல நீங்க சின்னவா இருக்கல?
என்னமா?
Classல நீங்க சின்னவாளா இருந்தேல இல்லனா உங்க வயசுலயே இருக்காங்க?
நானே கொஞ்சம் சின்னதா இருந்தாரு அப்போ அந்த டைம்ல. கரெக்ட்.
Okay. So, and hostel life you were not used to, no Akka? How was it in hostel life?
Actually, when I saw hostel, because I am pakka vegetarian, yes. One day what happened, they prepared, but Paddu teacher always used to tell all these things. One day they prepared beetroot curry. I thought something like this. I never used to.
Beetroot party tamulage.
I never tasted. Ayyo, this in the food idella beetroot curry thinnama madiri irukku. Ayyo, don't. Appo Paddu teacher, hey, is saavada ponne, இது ரொம்ப பலம் வரும். இது என்ன டீச்சர் சொன்னா, இதுதான் பீட்ரூட் கறி சாப்பிடு பண்ண டான்ஸஸ்க்கு எல்லாம் ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கும், இது நல்ல பலம் வரும்னு சொன்னா. Okay, teacher, and சாப்பிட்டா. I love her. I love Paddu teacher very much.
Yes, I also had a very good relationship with
very nice.
Paddu teacher when, yes, with her, she was also strict, but
very strict. Stricta illenna mudiyadhu hostel avladha. Very nice, but she sings, very nicely.
Yes.
All every day, every Friday we used to have bhajan.
Yes, bhajan, yes.
Yeah, we used to have bhajan, but mostly all the kids Friday vandu romba pidikum. Edukku sollu? Puri and payasam.
Yes, puri and payasam.
Then we used to go to temple also Friday. Ranga, they all kids and kids எல்லாம் முன்னாடி உட்காருவாங்க. Paddu teacher பாடும்போது அப்படியே தூங்குவா. ரங்கா பாண்டுரங்க. நான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பாயசம் பூரிடா. Then they used to say ranga பாண்டுரங்க. They used to sing. Then they became very fresh.
Energetic again.
Have payasam puri very nicely. Temple and all like this. Very
Akka,
nice.
you've stayed in Kalakshetra all your life, but you've also gone out with Kalakshetra. You've gone out with on different tours with people. And I know from my experience from going out was that the teachers in college, they were different. College, they were, like teachers, strict, and you didn't talk much with them, not much exchanges, no interaction. But when you went out, because we were always together, I think we came to know our teachers, our seniors much better. I'm sure your experiences must have also been like that, and you had much more senior teachers who were there. I mean, we all went out with you all also, and you all were like friends, lots of, but the fun was that, when you go out with senior teachers, you see them differently. You see them as persons, as people, instead of as teachers. So can you share some experiences of how you went out with some of them?
Yeah. We always used to go with Paddu teacher, Kamala Rani teacher, and all these Kamala Rani teacher, Maragadan teacher. We used to go to train. Atta used to travel in first class train. Same thing. So in middle, sometimes when we were girls and all, Paddu teacher and Kamala Rani teacher, Margan teacher was very taking care of us. Okay, they looks very, Kamala Rani teacher very rough talk, but so nice in the heart. Very nice. She's very protective, like,
Yes.
We used to get scared when she'll talk. Oh, Kamala Rani teacher, like this we used to feel. But when she will travel with her, she used to take care of everything. Then she used to very nicely, we used to play games. Games is how she will put talam and antaraksha, music ways. Only Kalakshetra dramas and Kalakshetra songs or prayer songs.
Antakshari with Kalakshetra songs and all. Oh, how nice.
Songs, like in dance drama songs only say you can do, and Kalakshetra, all the songs, Tyagaraja Kirtana, anything, or like only like that. Then Anil is there. Anil sir is doing putting in the Kaila Chatrashram Podungo, in the Kaila Tisram Podungo, like that. We used to very much, we don't know that 3 days we used to stay in the train. The time will go like this very, very nicely. We used to enjoy, like we learned many things with that all elder people, and in between we used to go to Atte first class. In between, Apu she used to ask us, "Inna saaputacha ellaru, nalla irukkrangala, nalla thungiyacha." She always used to ask. She always used to ask everything, but I feel very comfortable and nice and happy. I finished my course with happily, and after my course only I went and I got married and everything like this.
Akka, in you've been teaching since you were very young also, no? Immediately after your graduation, I think you started teaching in the part-time classes and all that.
No, first Sharada teacher kuda nanu oru konchu varsham nanu work panni, I mean pupil teacher. Teacher kuda panni eppadi teach pandrathu, eppadi thatradalla, just to observe.
Oh, you sat with her in her class to learn?
Yeah, pupil teacher.
How nice.
Afterwards only Atte gave me test. When same thing she Atte padra Balavinave, same thing. I'm
remembering now.
Balavinave padirukku, Sharada teacher padirukku. Nan thattirke, correct. Nan thattirke, correct. Balavinave Atte padirukku, Sharada teacher pandra nan thattirke. Okay, yeah. தட்டும்போது then ATC no first 80sல நாங்களுக்கு எக்ஸாம் நடந்தது. அப்போ இத்தனை வருஷம் pupil teacher, I think 3 or 4 years I was pupil teacher. That time pupil teacher 75 rupees they gave me monthly. Okay, I was so happy, but money is okay, I'm getting everything okay inside like this, no, okay. Then she did the exam for me like that. Atte used to sing, Sharada teacher Balavinave pandra, nan tatre 80sla. So all Kamala Rani teacher, everybody sitting, but Kamala Rani teacher paatha enak ella poidu.
Yes,
But
because she was so good. She was perfect in
yeah,
everything she did. So it was
தோழி
very difficult.
இப்படித்தான்
தாளம் கொஞ்சம்
தீர்மானம்
தவறி போயிடுதுனாக்க she would know, oh, you missed one beat there.
பண்ண பண்ண வெள்ள போடவே இங்க வா என்ன பண்ணே நீ அப்படி திட்டுவா. வெரி நைஸ். பட் வி கேன் லேர்ன் சம்திங். இஃப் ஸ்கோல்டிங் ஸ்கோல்டிங் மாதிரி இல்ல, ஒரு இப்பதான் தெரியுது அந்த ஸ்கோல்டிங்ஸ் எல்லாம் நம்மளுக்கு ஒரு லெசன், நைஸ் லெசன்ஸ்.
Exactly.
வெரி நைஸ் தட்.
So you started teaching at what age, Akka?
Like 1979, I think. 79 I started teaching. No, I finished my course. I finished my course and I came back.
Okay.
71, 72 I came back.
72 you were here.
79, correct.
79, huh?
That time I started teaching. She gave me exam and everything. She gave me fully. She asked me to, after the, now I want to stay in the hostel, teacher. Atte warden ஆயிட்டேன்னு சொன்னா. அப்போ அத்தை பண்ணிட்டு அவ பார்த்தா குழந்தை மாதிரி இருக்கா, அவ பேச்சு யாரு கேக்குறா, அவக்கு அவ வார்டனா இருக்க வேண்டாம், இப்போ நீ கொஞ்சம் நாள் ஆகட்டும் அப்படின்னு சொன்னா. Okay. She didn't give me that.
No, but you were also very young, Akka.
Yeah,
Akka, you've participated in almost all the dance dramas, no?
Yes.
What are some of the best memories that you have? Naughty memories, happy memories, Bayangarda memories?
Yeah, I did all the Ramayanas, all Sakhi part. Like Andala Sakhi panne, Geetagundu Sakhi panne, Kuttal Kurvanji, Kannapar Kurvanji, Karmari Kurvanji, all Sakhis, main Sakhis I did. For all Ramayanas and all the part, like see, Sabarimoksham I did first Panchapsaras, Ravana Court, then Kinneras and Sabari and all it, but I never done like main characters like.
I remember you as Mandodari.
Yeah, Mandodari and Sabari, Tara. And the Rishi Patni, she's became. I'm not getting many like this main this thing and all I did. I traveled with Atte many tours like China.
So what are some of your memories of the dance dramas?
Dance dramas, like mostly I like all the dance dramas. When Sabarimoksham comes, when Krishnaveni Janas Chalapathina, when they're doing, I used to sit in front of them because that time I'm second year, third year like this. When Sita Anveshana Varambodu, Janadana, we will go inside the Parnasala, Kulla Poiti, Apdi Sita and Parkumbodu, Sita Khan. He'll cry. நான் கூட இங்க வைக்க அலரும் பக்கத்துல இல்ல என்னோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் நீ அழாதே வசு.
You were very sensitive. Very sensitive.
Nicely. And afterwards Krishnaveni say I used to feel very nice, very good to Sita and all. She will go inside that character.
Yes.
And show nice.
There's never been a Sita like her. There will never be a Sita like her.
Wow, she's tremendous, very good.
Like Balanna, there will never be another Balanna. Only one. So
yeah, they
were great. They were great.
So we are very என்ன சொன்ன புண்ணியம் பண்ணிருக்கேன் நினைக்கிறேன் அந்த மாதிரி டான்சஸ் பாக்குறது.
Akka, have you seen Atte dancing, Akka?
Atte டான்ஸ் பண்றது இந்த காஸ்டியூம் எல்லாம் போட்டு பார்க்கல. இது எங்களுக்கு இது தசாவதார கமலஜாசியா இந்த சுவாதி திருநாள் ஃபங்க்ஷன்ல they ask us to do full மார்க்கம் சுவாதி திருநாள். இது இந்த வர்ணம் கமலஜாசியா, அப்புறம் மோகனமாயே, தனஸ்ரீ தில்லானா. ஓகே, அதெல்லாம் ஒரு ஃபுல் மார்க்கம் she composed on us only, myself, Stella, Valli and Umaka. 4 பேர் மேல தானே ஃபர்ஸ்ட் முன்னாடி தாமஸ் சார் காட்டேஜ் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கு முன்னாடி. அது அந்த காட்டேஜ்ல தானே she used to come in rehearsal. after that, Meenakshi Kalyan Mandal, Kathakali Cottage, she
Yes.
used to compose.
Choreograph
So
there,
that.
So you've seen her as a choreographer more than as a
Yeah.
dancer. Yes. Wonderful. And Akka, you, like I said, you grew up here in Kalakshetra, and you never. What was you had a graduation program, right? So do you remember what you did for your graduation program? What was your margam for your graduation?
Yeah, Alaripu, Jatiswaram,
Vijyatiswaram.
Sankravaram,
Vijyatiswaram.
Mantivarnam, and Vanipundu, Javili, Virachita Chatu, Astapadi, அப்புறம் ராரசீதா ராரசீதா ஹிந்தோல வசந்த ராரசீதா அப்புறம் வேற என்ன பரசுத்திலானா ஐ திங்க் பரசுத்திலானா Parasutilana.
Because I remember you showing me a picture of you and Atte after your program. Do you have that picture? I asked you to keep it so that we can show it to.
Yeah.
Oh, how
this is Atte me. My graduation time. She took.
Yeah. How pretty that is.
You want to show? See, nice.
I can see it. Akka. And the haram, Atte is carrying a haram in her hand.
Yeah. She want to put us for me and Vinikud and Nanga 4 பேர் பண்ணிருக்கேன் இல்ல.
Oh, she Atte put haram for you all.
Wow. That one, that mala kaila irukilla.
Mala, ama.
Pumala.
Pumala. How nice.
She puts for us.
How
she
nice.
came to bring that. She puts for that.
Akka, you said that there are many people who don't know so much about Kamala Trilokekar or Shankaramenon sir, but I remember that you were always with them. Can you tell me some of your experiences with them?
So actually, my house, Shantilo, Kamala teacher, Paddu teacher, Shankaramenon sir, they used to stay.
Yeah.
I'll pass to that place and go to my house. Then after finish my evening class, just they are all sitting outside. When I'll pass, no, he will show Shankaramenon sir. Hi, அப்படி சொன்ன நமஸ்தேன்னு சொன்ன நமஸ்தே 3 பேர் ஒரே மாதிரி உட்காருவாங்க. So I'll go fat I'll finish my tea and my mother-in-law, father-in-law is with me. Tak I used to give food for them, tea and some snacks. Check, I want to come here. Kamala teacher, Paddu teacher கிட்ட போய் அவங்க கிட்ட வந்து நாங்க 4 பேரு வாக்கிங் போவோம். கமலா டீச்சர் கை பிடிச்சுண்டு பத்து டீச்சர். So they very very soft spokers. Always they used to call was any help need Vasundhara varayanu phone pannom takkana I go. And Shankaramenon sir is very nice. When you will talk with him, you can learn many things. He always used to tell Gita. Always and every morning he used to speak 10 minutes Gita. I think you remember.
Yes.
Yeah, Gita, so nice. So very happy like all this.
And when you were walking with them also, you said that they used to share lots of things.
Yeah, he used to talk all these things. And அத்தை அங்க டான்ஸ் பண்ணிருக்கு, இங்க லெக்சர் கொடுத்திருக்கு, இந்த லெக்சர்ல இப்படி பேசிருக்கேன், நான் அப்படி பண்ணிருக்கேன். But their talk is different. I always used to like their talk. Okay. And after எல்லாம் முடிச்சிட்டு வீட்டுக்கு போனேன், darling, dear and darling, dear, then he always
yes
day before yesterday you prepared for me podina chutney. Chutney you prepared, can you bring for me?
How nice.
I'll prepare. Very happy. I'll prepare kottamilli chutney like this. He likes my kottamilli chutney. Then Kamala teacher also, they're very nice people. Paddu teacher, Kamala teacher.
You said that Paddu teacher, you were very fond of Paddu teacher, especially because she took care of you right from the beginning. I remember you also telling me that Paddu teacher used to sleep outside your room because you used to get scared.
Suddenly, one of my next neighbor girl, night she will walk.
Sleepwalking.
So I used to get scared. I do teacher, Paddu teacher, then Paddu teacher used to sleep. Also slowly I'll take my pillow and get. She will have small pillows, 2 pillows, so it won't enough for me. She will take teacher எனக்கு பயமா இருக்கு teacher. வந்து இங்க படுத்துக்கோ. So இங்க வான்னு சொல்லி she will give place for me. So I used to sleep with her. நம்ம என்னாச்சு ஏன் அப்படி பயந்தேன் டீச்சர் இந்த பொண்ணுமோ. I used to tell her no, that she is walking teacher. So then she will go and talk with her என்னாச்சு அப்படின்னா she started treat for that girl. அப்படி பண்ணாதே இப்படி பண்ணா நான் அது சுவாமின்னு பிரார்த்தனை பண்ணோம். என்னன்னா அந்த காயத்ரி மந்திரம் சொல்லு. அப்போ she used to tell டீச்சர் பயமா இருக்கு டீச்சர் பயமா இருக்கு இந்த காயத்ரி மந்திரம் சொல்லிண்டே படுத்துக்கோ அப்படின்னு காயத்ரி மந்திரம் she used to tell 2 times. Then I used to repeat and then I used to sleep.
And you used to visit Atte during Diwali and all that, you said, no?
Yeah, it's very nice. This thing, Deepavali time, she always give me one sari.
Oh.
Yeah, that kalankara sari. நமக்கு weaving department இருக்கின்றதுல அங்க இருந்து வாங்கிட்டு she used to give me that sari. அந்த sari கட்டிட்டு morning after my breakfast, hostel breakfast எல்லாம் சாப்பிட்டு we used to go to see அத்தை ரூம்ல இருக்கும், ஆபீஸ்ல இருக்கும். நாங்க எல்லா கேர்ள்ஸ் எல்லாம் we used to go wear nice dress and she should see us and she will give you that lehyam. Deepavali time. So we used to eat that lehyam and she will see hey நல்லா இருக்கு உனக்கு இந்த புடவை அத்தை நீங்க தான் கொடுத்திருக்க அத்தை. அப்படியா? She forgets that அக்கா நீங்க தான் கொடுத்திருக்க எனக்கு சொல்லி she always gives. Padduti Atte used to give one sari. Sankarman sir gives for her Onam. அதுக்கு ஒரு முண்டு கொடுக்குவாங்க. எனக்கு முண்டு ₹1 கொடுக்கும். So that still I'm having all the rupees and everything. அந்த ஒரு பாக்ஸ்ல வச்சிருக்கு. This sari also Atte gave me, that old sari.
Okay. Her own sari.
All this year, what I did, I washed nicely. I kept all napkin balls and nice. This thing cover I pinned and kept very carefully. Today I want to wear this because I felt very, I don't know, nice. I felt very inside happy.
Wonderful,
okay, I wore
wonderful.
this sari. So today I wore this sari. This sari is Atte gave me this sari. Atte's own sari. She used to wear sari. She bought that Calcutta கிட்ட ஏதோ இருக்கு Bhubaneswar Odisha. She bought it seems. She told இது போதுமா நல்லா ஓகேயா நான் கட்டின சாரி அதுதான் எனக்கு வேணும் அத்தை கொடுக்கும். So very nice, no? Very nice feeling.
Thank you for wearing it today, because for us also it is a very special day.
Special
that
day
you are here and that we are talking about Atte and Kalakshetra, and it is for always it is a beautiful.
One day what happened in dance drama, I forgot to tell you. It is time today. One day what happened, Geeta Govinda, while we are doing, that Balana is doing that Vidhanathula 4 girls Vidhanam pudichittu
Shrita
Kamala Kocha பண்ணும்போது I was behind stage. So while he is doing 30 meter, that stool fell down. 30 meter பண்ண கால் தட்டிட்டு கீழே விழுந்துச்சு. அது கீழே போயிடுது. Then I felt ஐயோ அண்ணா திருப்பி வரும்போது வீந்துடுமான்னு பயந்துட்டு நான் slowly, actually I'm not supposed to go there, but what to do, I got inside bayam. அத்தை வந்து திட்டுவாங்களோ என்னமோ போனா, but I can't help it. I want to, Balanna should not fall down. So slowly nicely as a dancer nicely போயிட்டு அந்த ஸ்டூல் அப்படியே உட்கார வச்சுட்டு இப்படி பண்ணி வாங்கன்னு ஆஹ்வானம் பண்ண மாதிரி பண்ண வச்சுட்டு உட்கார்ந்து நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணி அப்படியே பின்னாடி போயிட்டு அப்போ உள்ள போனப்புறம் இது ப்ரோக்ராம் எல்லாம் முடிச்சிட்டு அப்புறம் அத்தை வந்திருக்காங்களா, நான் மேக்கப் எல்லாம் எடுத்துட்டு இருக்கு, அத்தை வந்திருக்காங்க.
To the green room. Atte came to the green room.
Okay. And Maragadan teacher இல்ல Maragadan teacher, she's calling Vasundhara வா என்ன டீச்சர் அத்தை கூப்பிடுறாங்க. அம்மா எனக்கா பயம், திட்டு வாங்குமோ நான் பயந்தாச்சு. என்ன டீச்சர் நீங்க வாங்கோ டீச்சர் மரகன் டீச்சர் கை பிடிச்சிட்டே போயிருந்தேன். நீ பொய்யா நீ இல்ல டீச்சர் வாங்க டீச்சர் என்னாச்சும் பயமா இருக்கணும். அப்போ போனப்புறம் இங்க வா, ஏன் பயப்படுற, வா கிட்ட வான்னு சொன்னா. அம்மா அடிக்கட்டுமோன்னு பயந்தாச்சு நான். ஓகே, இல்ல நீ பண்ண ரொம்ப சமத்த வேலை பண்ணையேன்னு. என்ன வேலை பண்ண அத்தைன்னு. இந்த நீ அந்த ஸ்டூல் மேல தூக்கி வைக்கலன்னா, ஸ்ட்ரெயிட்டா வைக்கலன்னா பாலன் என்ன ஆயிருக்கும், கீழே வீழ்ந்துடுவில்ல. நீ ரொம்ப சமத்தான வேலை பண்ண, வெரி குட்ன்னு சொன்னா. அம்மா
Wow.
அப்போதான் சந்தோஷம் இருக்கு. ஐ டோன்ட் நோ, ஐ வாண்ட் டு ஜஸ்ட் ஜம்ப் ஃப்ரம் தேர். ஆஹா, திட்டுவாங்கன்னு நினைச்சிட்டே இந்த அப்ரிஷியேட் பண்றாங்களேன்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரே சந்தோஷம் வந்தாச்சு.
Akka, you remember during the Golden Jubilee, you all went off to watch Pushpa Akka, and you all forgot. I remember that.
Yes, I can't forget that. Abba, wow. She all புஷ்பா டீச்சர் சூர்பனக்கா பண்ணும்போது நாங்க எல்லாம் ஸ்டெல்லா இல்ல, வள்ளி, மைசெல்ஃப், யசோதா, ஷாலி அப்படியே நாங்க நெக்ஸ்ட் சீன்ல சேஞ்ச் பண்ணணும். ராவணா கோட்டுக்கு கிண்ணற அது பஞ்சாப்தாஸ் காஸ்டியூம்ல நாங்க இருக்கிறேன். அப்படியே பார்த்துட்டே இருக்கு. வித்தின் 5 யார ஜனக்கட ஜன் அது குன்ராம சார் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கும்போது நோ ஒன் இஸ் தேர்.
I remember. And he was so angry with all of you.
ஜனக்கு என்னன்னு யாரும் இல்லைன்னு சொல்லிட்டு உடனே திருப்பி லைட்ஸ் ஆஃப் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க. உடனே அவன் யாரோ வந்துட்டு சொன்னா. அத்தை வாஸ் வெரி, அத்தை இல்ல, அத்தை வாஸ் நாட் தேர் ஐ திங்க் தட் டைம்.
No, Atte was there. It was the Golden Jubilee, Akka. Golden Jubilee time.
But no, then we we dressed full here ornaments linde full மாத்தணும். You don't know, கையில நடுங்கிறது கமலாரன் பிச்சு எடுத்துட்டு வித்தின் 5 minutesல நாங்க ஸ்டேஜ் மேலுக்கு எல்லாரும் போய் நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணி ஒன்னும் ஆவாத மாதிரி. அப்புறம் தில்லானெல்லாம் முடிச்சிட்ட அப்புறம் குனிராம சார் கிவிங் ஆல் கிஃப்ட்ஸ். தில்லானா நீங்க நல்லா பண்ணிருக்க, நல்லா பண்ணிருக்க, பட்டுல பண்ணோம். நம்மனுக்கு சரியா என்ன எப்படி பண்ண என்ன வேலை பண்ணிருக்கு, நீங்க என்ன இன்சல்ட் பண்ணிருக்கு. மூஞ்சி
There was nothing to say. You all were wrong. You all should have been ready.
Then afterwards, after finish, program முடிஞ்ச உடனே நாங்க ஓடி வந்து ஒளிச்சாச்சு. பின்னாடி ஒளிஞ்சிருக்கு. அதுக்குள்ள குனிராமன் சார் கிரீன் ரூம் கொண்டாச்சு. ஓடி வந்து எங்க அந்த அடிக்கடிக்கும் நல்லா அடிக்கடிக்கும் நாங்க நல்லா இருக்கன்னு சொல்லிட்டு நம்மளுக்கு தெரியும். நாங்க 4 பேரும் அப்படி ஒளிஞ்சது. கமலா மரகதன் டீச்சர் இஸ் தே, எங்க அவங்க எங்க சொன்னோம். சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிருக்கேன்னு சொல்றேன். சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிருக்கு இங்க இப்போ ஐ வாண்ட் டு see them அப்படின்னு சொன்னா. ஓகே, சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிருக்கு, வந்த உடனே உங்களுக்கு அனுப்புறேன்னு சொன்னா. அப்படி ஒளிஞ்சிருக்கு. வந்தா நேர பார்த்தா போட்ட கண்ணுல ரெட்டா இருக்குல்ல.
Yes, Kuniraman sir as Ravana was something totally different.
Rama, Ravana.
That was a beautiful combination, no? That because Krishnaveni Akka, Janardhan sir, Kuniraman sir, Chelapati Anna as Lakshman, that was a different level of Balanna Hanuman, of course. That was something. That was a really beautiful time. Really beautiful.
I used to enjoy like that.
Akka, you stayed in Kalakshetra all your life, and you retired from here. Yes. And you never ever took private classes or anything while you were in Kalakshetra. You only took the Kalakshetra classes, and that's it. Now I think last couple of years after you've come out, you started taking classes. So how does it feel?
Actually, when I was staying in Kalakshetra, I didn't feel it is necessary to take class. I didn't feel like I do like that. After finish my course, I came outside. So in my house now, I'm taking this house. I used to, but we should divert our mind. Staying Kalakshetra always high, happy. After finish my retirement, so I started little kitties like all chinnada kalai kannanalindu. I used to dance with them, and kannan or paddu teacher songs, all these things I used to teach like that. chinna pasanga like LKG, first standard, second standard, that irukku oru 5 பேர் இருக்காங்க. But I feel happy. teaching
Yes, Akka.
classes and
Akka,
everything.
first of all, I'm very happy that you're back to dancing because you're such a beautiful dancer. I don't know why you stopped dancing.
Actually, after many years, because Swagata asked me to dance. Akka, you do dance no. Why you are not dancing? You dance no like this. He told one. Do something at this composition. Then I thought of thinking, yeah, why can't I dance? Yeah, if I'll dance, what will happen? My God, I can because I forgot to shake all my face. Okay. Now after saying you only, I started practicing exercise, doing little exercise. Okay,
Uh-huh.
this லாக்டவுன்ல கொஞ்சம் பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சு கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் so that I did varnam purna
You did the Varnam, you did the whole Varnam.
yeah, that purna that no, I feel yeah, I'm going to dance. I thought I'm staying some heaven like this. I felt.
How nice. How
But
nice.
that I always used to teach like old home, like அடையார்ல ஒரு இது இருக்கு ஒரு ஒரு poor
Okay.
children's school. So I used to every Monday I used to go to Avai home.
Avai home. Yeah. Okay.
So every Monday I used to go and teach for them. I used to feel very happy because they are very inside. When they'll come to dance, they'll forget themselves.
Yes.
So
Yes.
I'm also like that. When we'll start dancing, we'll forget so many things inside the house.
Exactly, Akka. For us, dancing is like it's like a part of us that we can't change. And so you should not stop dancing.
We'll see how much God gives me energy. Atte makes me to dance. Last Varta, Atte, before going to die, I took her, my Prashant, my son, second son. She want to keep name. Suhasnik avangada per vechirukkranga.
Okay,
So
okay.
Kamala, all the big masters and all, MD Ramana sir, Mapuruko sir, everybody vandite atte Suhasnik per vechir atte madilo ukkar vechiti kaadala Suhasini and per vechirukanga.
Wow,
So that is
she's
very thing. But
blessed.
second also, she told second குழந்தைக்கு நான் தானே பேரு வைக்கணும், நீ சும்மா அந்த பேர் இந்த பேரெல்லாம் வைக்காதே and சொன்ன ஓகே அத்தைன்னு சொன்னா. Before going to she is last days, so we took Prashant. That time he's very like குண்டா இருக்கு. அப்போ அத்தை என்ன நீங்க பேர் வைக்கணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு இத்தனை நாள் பேர் வச்சிருக்கேன். Somebody is asking that ஏதோ ரிஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணணும் தானே அந்த பேர் வைக்கணும். ஆமா எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் உடம்பு சரியில்லை நான் உடனே நான் வந்து பேர் வைக்கிறேன் அப்புறம் அப்படின்னு சொன்னா சரியாத்தான் சொன்னா. அப்புறம் இன்னும் இப்படி மேல இருந்து கேட்ட ஆமா வசுந்தரா நீ சாதகம் பண்றியான்னு சொன்னா. சாதகமா இல்ல அத்தை பிரசாந்த் இன்னைக்கு சிசேரியன் அப்புறம் கொஞ்ச நாள் ஆனப்புறம் நான் பிராக்டிஸ் பண்றேன். ஆமா எப்பவும் உடம்பு சுத்தில வச்சுக்கணும், புரிஞ்சுதா? உடம்பு சுத்தில வச்சுக்கணும்னா ஆமா அத்தை அப்புறம் கொஞ்ச நாள் அப்புறம் நான் பிராக்டிஸ் பண்றேன் அத்தைன்னு சொன்னேன். So that is that. Then she likes all that பாசம் பருப்பு. I don't know what we'll say in English. பாசம் பயிறு, green gram. Thomas sir used to prepare that, he likes, Atte likes that sweet very much. அதுக்கு என்ன சொல்லும் like sweet round இருக்கும். Coconut, green gram எல்லாம் boil பண்ணிட்டு சர்க்கரை all this he prepares very nicely. Atte likes that sweet. எங்கே தாமஸ் எங்கே எனக்கு அந்த ஸ்வீட் கொண்டு வந்தியான்னு கேட்டா. Yes, Atte. And she was very happy.
I know she used to love Thomas's decorations also. She used to always say that, he makes the place look different.
And என்னெல்லாம் டான்ஸ் டிராமா இருக்குமோ அது according to that we used to do that decoration. Like சூடாமணன்னா சீதா is giving like முத்ரிகா அந்த ரிங் குத்து மாதிரி ஒரு டெக்கரேஷன் பண்ணுவாங்க முன்னாடி. She always used to like, very nice.
Yes. Akka, it's been so beautiful having you here. And please remember that there's no way that we are going to let you go. You're going to continue dancing with us. I'm so happy that we meet at least once a week and we are dancing together. It is so beautiful. It is so much fun to be dancing with you. And we've got so much to learn from you also, because you have so many memories that we don't even know about. And of course, you are such a graceful beautiful, innocent, that there's this very nice presentation that you do. And I don't know, I really love it. I love watching you dance, and I want to keep watching you dance. So you're going to keep dancing with us. And another thing I want to tell you, that many of us may not tell you, but we love you very, very much. And for me especially, it is very, very, very special that, you know, you never tell me, hey, I was your teacher, you can't tell me what to do. No, you always listen patiently, and you treat me like a friend. That for me is such a special feeling, and I want to thank you for that, for giving me that. And we're all very lucky that you're here with us. And of course, Saturdays we will meet as usual, and we will continue learning from you. And thank you so much, so much, so much for today, for your time, for your dancing, for your love, for your sharing. Thank you so much, Akka.
I also feels very happy. Every Saturday comes, Nama, this one, Swagata, Archita, Trupti, எல்லாமே பார்க்கலாமே. So I used to feel, now I'm able to, I think I have all that WhatsApp and Zoom and all, it is very for me.
Technology.
I feel I'm fighting with that. Somehow I'm getting okay with God's grace. I must feel very happy. I'm no words that we all should have Bati's blessing always with us. Just shower like a nice feeling, good vibration கூட நம்ம எல்லாரும் இருக்கணும். எல்லாருக்கும் வேண்டிய நம்ம நல்லதே பண்ணலாம், நல்லதே செய்யலாம், நல்லா டான்ஸ் பண்ணலாம், ஹாப்பியா இருக்கலாம், அவ்வளவுதான்.
Yes, thank you so much, Akka. Thank you so much. And to our viewers, until the next time, and we have, I know, at least one more Kshetragya Padam that we will be exploring. And if anybody remembers any more, please let us know, because we would love to share. This has been such a beautiful journey, sharing the Kshetragya Padams. Of course, after that, we'll come back with other things. But right now, we're trying to see Atte's genius in choreography with Kshetragya's beautiful poetry. And thank you for being a part of the journey with us, Akka. Thank you, all of you, for being a part of it with us, watching us. Until the next Super Solo Saturday, it's Namaskar.
Thank you very much. I'm so happy. I'm very grateful to you all people. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Akka. Thank you so much.
So happy.